Hi, I'm Phil from the Bristol Braid Co-Factory, and welcome to PhotoOrganista. In this quick start guide, we'll show you how to get up and running as fast as possible. First, we need to create a new portfolio. Click New under Start New Portfolio, give it a name. We'll open in a new window. Next, we're going to import some images. I'm going to go to the Import button, top left, select a folder, and just simply import them all in. After your images have imported, they'll appear on the light table. The light table offers a number of different layout options. Click on the left icon here to see the different options, including pivot tables and bar charts inspired by the sister product Photostatistica, film strip views, as well as the thumbnails we're seeing at the moment. In the thin strip view, you get to see a full screen image as well as the strip at the top. You can create different tabs with different styles of layout. Each tab will remember all its own settings. If you're in the full browser view and want to see an image full screen, double click. You can then swipe left and right to view the images. You can zoom in to 100% and pan around. Our next task might be to decide which are our favourite images. Hover over an image and use the favourite flag. If we only want to see those that we've given the favourite tag to, use the snap filter in the top right hand corner. From here we might want to give them some ratings. Let's go back to the full set. Maybe we want to add some tags. Let's create some new tags. We can now drag photographs on to assign them to the tags. Once a hierarchy of tags has been populated, you can use it to narrow down images you're seeing on your light table. The thumbnails show a little bit of the metadata of the image, and you can change this by going up to the user settings, going to photo fields, and choosing other values to display. However, if you want to examine all the metadata associated with your photographs, you're going to need to look in the Metadata tab. The metadata is grouped, and you may not want to see all of these groups. You can hide them by going to the top right here and disabling the ones you're not interested in. If you select a photograph, you'll then see its metadata. Not every field might have been filled out by the camera, and you can hide these by toggling off the question mark. This also gets an opportunity to edit the data. Click the Edit button, and now we can update it. If we select multiple images, and click the Apply Action to All, we can edit all in one go. Here, PhotoOrganista is telling us that these fields have multiple values. PhotoOrganista contains a wide range of fields, not only those recorded by the camera, but additional ones for special purposes. For example, those of you that do darkroom photography will find a set of analog fields especially for you, where you can record the film reference, film stock, developer, temperatures and times. PhotoOrganista provides a full suite of options for exporting and sharing your images. it allows you to send images off for editing in other packages. Or extracting the metadata as a CV file. This has only really skimmed the surface of what PhotoOrganista is capable of. We've created a set of bite-sized training videos which enable you to get the most out of the product. We recommend you start with the importing video and work your way from there. We hope you enjoy using PhotoOrganista and get a lot of value out of the product. Please let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. And now I can let you go, ready to start your first portfolio.